that this is really our only way out of this entire mess that we're in.
Now at 9, a recommendation that could have major impacts in the so-called invisible war. Who could be next to get armed in the fight against COVID-19? And that is our big story tonight at 9. Initial shipments of the second COVID-19 vaccine that's been authorized for use in the U.S. are making their way all around the country. Now, the first round of shots have gone to healthcare workers and nursing home residents.
And we showed you that, but there is hope for others tonight as well. Grocery store workers and others serving in essential roles could be next in line for the vaccine. Casey Cronus is live with the latest on that recommendation. Casey?
And Ted and Mary, that recommendation will next go to the CDC director and to states as they develop vaccine distribution plans. Here in Wisconsin, one expert says this is one step closer to some normalcy.
This is the first time I've felt genuinely optimistic and looking forward to 2021.
As we near the end of a trying year,
I know that this is really our only way out of this entire mess that we're in.
Dr. James Conway, medical director of UW Health's immunization programs, says he sees light at the end of the tunnel.
For somebody who's worked on vaccines for 30 years, I was eager and willing to get vaccinated as soon as possible.
After healthcare workers and residents and staff of long-term care facilities, a CDC advisory committee is now recommending that people over 75 and essential workers like firefighters, teachers, and grocery store workers be next in line for the shot.
I think a substantial amount of the country is going to have the opportunity to be immunized during the first half of 2021.
Conway, who got his first dose of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine Sunday, says shipments of Moderna's shot should be in Wisconsin soon.
Even though this was faster than vaccines are usually brought to market, really didn't involve cutting corners or compromising at all on the safety part of this.
Both vaccines require 2 rounds, and Conway says it's crucial to follow through on that second dose.
And the second dose sort of boosts it up into kind of full immunity. The idea is basically to trick your immune system into thinking it's had a serious disease without having you suffer through that serious disease, and to be able to remember how to stay immune to that disease.
Dr. Conway says people will likely schedule their second shot when or soon after getting their first. Here in Wisconsin, he says all said and done during wider distribution, the general public will have hundreds of options as to places to go to get vaccinated. Reporting live in Milwaukee County, Casey Cronus, FOX6 News.
So many people wondering when they're next. We'll keep them informed. Casey, thank you.